Hello, this is your friend and brother Kujo Adam Ahambli. I'm here to coach you through how to use the Country Bird audiobook. Before we go there, let's discover what the Country Bird book consists of and its purpose. Now, the Country Bird book consists of 3 parts with an opening. And the purposes are 2. 1. To give hope to listeners and readers. 2. To help many other people who are brilliant by need. We want to give them grants and would provide for deprived communities infrastructure for education. That is why it is very important that all people should buy this book and not get it for free and share it for free. Because if you do that, it will defeat our purpose of helping people with this book. Alright, so now let's quickly go to how to use the Country Bird audiobook. Now, the Country Bird audiobook has one big folder. When you click on the folder, you will find 3 subfolders. In the first subfolder, you will find 2 files. The first file contains the theme song entitled Aim to Be. In the second file of the first subfolder is the opening of the book. So here you listen to or you hear everything about the book in opening. Now we go to the second subfolder. There are 3 files in there. The first file is the part 1 of the book, the full part. Second folder is the second part. The third folder is the part 3, the full part. Now, when we go to the third subfolder, if you click on it to open, you'll find 3 more folders. In the first folder contains chapters of part 1. So the individual chapters of part 1 are there. In the second folder too, you find the individual chapters of part 2. In the third folder, you find the individual chapters of part 3. So now this means that in the third subfolder, when listening to the book, you do that to study the book, chapter by chapter, bit by bit. But if you want to listen to the book like you're on a journey, going somewhere, you want to enjoy the book by listening to it, then you go to the second subfolder where the book is played in their full parts. For example, part 1 will play like 1 hour. So it means that the second folder helps you to just enjoy listening to the book when you are on a journey. But if you want to study the book, and you go to the third subfolder to help you study the book chapter by chapter, which are contained in part 1 folder, part 2 folder, and part 3 folder. So this is how the audiobook has been organized. So it's a great book to listen to. It's a great book to want to have with you because of the thing that it is going to do for you and for Ghana as a whole. So let's buy Country Bird because it has gotten so many ideas that will help you to live a meaningful life. Thank you for listening to this video. I hope you enjoyed it.